Hello everyone, thank you so much for accessing this video. This video is all about Rahu Ketu transit for Leo zodiac sign. And for Leo zodiac sign, Rahu is transiting in the 10th house and Ketu is transiting in the 4th house. Rahu in the 10th house brings professional success for all the people who are working in an MNCs. Mostly you will be getting a lot of support from your subordinates and from the colleagues. And all your efforts which you have been putting at your workplace will be getting rewards and recognitions. Even the efforts which you have performed over the past, that also will be yielding the recognition during this point of time. And the people who are into the top management roles, they have a probability of getting into higher higher management roles. The reason being, Rahu in the 10th house. 10th house talks about profession, career, social status, name, fame, and reputation. Most importantly, the things happens at your workplace can be seen from the 10th house. This is the period where in which a lot of support from your superiors and subordinates and also from your peers you will be getting during this period because of blessing from Rahu for Leo zodiac sign, because Rahu is transiting the 10th house, and 10th house also talks about power and authority. If at all you are into powerful positions or an authoritative positions, this is the time for you to get the promotion. So be awaiting for the good news from your managers. And Ketu is transiting into the 4th house of Leo zodiac sign. 4th house talks about mother, relationship with mother, health of mother, real estate, speculations. So please be mindful about speculations, because speculations will not be yielding very good results for Leo zodiac sign. Why? Because 4th house also talks about real estate. If at all you have a plan of buying or selling the lands and properties, this is not the right time for you, because that will not be yielding you the profits, because Ketu in the 4th house is not considered as favorable. And most importantly, you have to maintain cool and calm and composed at your family, at your immediate family relations, because there is a probability of friction and quarrels and disturbances in the family environment. So most importantly, if at all you are looking for any kind of creative roles, this is the right time for you to progress into that. And Ketu in the 4th house brings the creativity in an individual. And most importantly, related to your financial matters, be careful in terms of your investments, because there is a high chance that you will be taking off money from the investments which you have been done. Please don't do that, because this is not the right time for you to close your investments as well. Most importantly, please plan your finances well. And also what I would like to talk to you is about the relationships across your family environment. It's not that harmonious as you expected. People will not be understanding you. People will you will lack the support from the family environment. So make sure that you pray to the Almighty and also do some kind of meditation, so that the negative energies of Ketu will be balanced. And if on the Ketu in the Rahu in the professional front, he will be doing a lot much of greatness to you. And also, as I mentioned to you, you'll be getting the rewards and recognitions. If at all you are into any kind of industries such as like computer engineering or electronics engineering or even the civil engineering, so you people might expect some kind of rewards and recognitions during this period. All right. So overall, what I would say for Leo guys is, Rahu in the 10th house is being very favorable in the professional environment, whereas Ketu in the 4th house creating friction in the family environment. So try to balance, do the meditation, and I'm sure you'll be getting the good results out of it. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. And if at all you need a consultation from me, please book the consultation from the link that is mentioned in the description section. Once I get an order, I'll be able to help you with a complete analysis pertaining to your birth chart. And thank you so much for watching this video. And if at all you're watching this video for the first time, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also click on the bell icon next to subscribe button, and also do let me know what exactly you loved from this video and mention it in the comment section, so that I'll be knowing that you are following my videos. Alright, so I'll see you in the consultation. Bye.